Hey, gearheads! Welcome back to Autoverse Authority, your ultimate pit stop for the best automotive products out there. In today's video, we're diving into the top 5 best smart helmets for motorcycle that's turning heads and boosting performance. After hours of research and testing, I've handpicked the top choices for every kind of buyer, whether you're chasing value, performance, or a unique feature. Links to these products with the latest deals are waiting for you in the description below. Smash that like button, drop a comment, and hit subscribe to fuel your passion for all things auto. Let's rev it up and get started. In our list, the number one product name is TCMT Butterfly Flip-Up Motorcycle Helmet. The TCMT Motorcycle Butterfly Flip-Up Full-Face Helmet is made for riders who use cruiser, off-road, dirt, street, mountain, snow, or chopper-style bikes. It is a solid option for those who want basic protection with a full coverage helmet. The item comes in black color and has a shell made from polycarbonate and thermoplastic material, helping provide strength while being light in weight. It is designed to support comfort during longer rides and changing road conditions. This helmet has a size that fits a small head with a range from 55 to 56 centimeter and matches a hat size from 6 and 7/8 to 7. The product comes with a glossy finish that includes a surface coating designed to resist sunlight. Inside the helmet, there is cushioning that aims to support the head gently. Its interior lining can be removed and cleaned, which helps keep the inside fresh for regular use. There is an open-face sun shield for protection during day rides. The flip-up feature allows for flexible use when stopping or talking without removing the full helmet. Airflow is managed through a vent system that can be changed as needed for comfort. Also, the helmet includes a visor that is made to resist scratches from dust or small debris. Along with the helmet, the package contains a helmet bag for storage or transport when not in use. This helmet supports basic head safety and comfort for everyday motorcycle use. In our list, the number 2 product name is Sena Outrush Modular Smart Helmet. The Sena Outrush Modular Smart Helmet in gloss white offers riders a mix of modern design and built-in technology. It is made from polycarbonate ABS and includes a multi-density inner liner that supports comfort and protection. This modular-style helmet is designed for motorcycle users who want to stay connected during their ride without carrying extra gear. Weighing 3.8 pounds, the helmet comes in a small size and features a retractable sun visor that helps reduce light while riding under the sun. The built-in Bluetooth system allows easy pairing with a smartphone. Riders can listen to audio, receive GPS directions, or manage calls while keeping their hands free. The jog dial control on the helmet lets the user adjust volume or switch functions smoothly while wearing gloves. With up to 15 hours of talk time per charge, this smart helmet supports long-distance travel. The Bluetooth intercom also lets a rider connect with another compatible Outrush helmet nearby. Clear audio is supported through the high-definition intercom system, which makes communication during a ride easy and simple. The helmet uses a ratchet strap system that helps secure the fit around the chin. It also has both a face shield and drop-down visor that work together to protect the eyes and improve visibility in changing light conditions. It follows safety guidelines under the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 218, making it suitable for daily road use with added safety and smart communication. In our list, the number 3 product name is VCAN VX Lightweight Motorcycle Helmet. The VCAN VX Lightweight Full-Face Motorcycle Street Bike Helmet in flat black offers protection and comfort for daily riders. Built using thermoplastic materials, this helmet weighs 4 pounds, making it easy to wear during long rides. It supports street bike users and follows the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 218 for road safety. Its inner core uses intelligent density layering, which absorbs energy from impacts rather than passing the force to the rider. The structure is shaped to move airflow from the front to the back, which helps reduce wind drag and noise on highways or busy roads. The helmet includes front and top vents that can be controlled manually to allow or limit airflow depending on riding conditions. This model is designed for on-the-go riders, with one-hand quick release through the chin strap buckle, allowing fast adjustments even while wearing gloves. It includes a removable chin curtain that helps limit wind turbulence while riding at higher speeds. The inside of the helmet uses padding made with Coolmax core material. This padding pulls away moisture and dries quickly. The interior padding and breath guard are removable and washable. The helmet offers a wide view of the road with a clear, scratch-resistant shield. An additional tinted visor is also included for brighter days. It is designed to fit riders who wear glasses, and it is pinlock ready for shield fog control. VCAN has over 3 decades of experience, offering strong manufacturing quality and trust in the motorcycle community. In our list, the number 4 product name is ILM Bluetooth Full Face Motorcycle Helmet. The ILM Bluetooth Motorcycle Helmet Modular Flip-Up Full-Face Dual Visor in bright red provides a high-tech option for riders using adventure, cruiser, touring, and street bikes. This helmet is built from acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and weighs 1.94 kilograms. It meets the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 218, offering reliable safety on the road. Equipped with Bluetooth version 3.0 technology, it allows hands-free communication while riding. It supports incoming and outgoing calls, music playback, global positioning system voice directions, and access to frequency modulation radio. The built-in speakers and microphones are designed to reduce external noise, allowing clear sound during rides. The helmet supports communication between 3 paired helmets and allows two-way intercom within 500 meters range. Its battery can deliver up to 12 hours of phone talk time and 8 hours of intercom use. On standby, the charge can last for 110 hours. If the helmet remains unused, the battery enters a sleep mode and will reactivate after charging for 30 minutes. The modular design includes a flip-up system, dual visors, and removable liners. The inside padding, ear inserts, and top layers can be removed and washed. The outer visor is replaceable for easy cleaning or adjustment depending on riding conditions. This helmet includes a battery, 1 cable for charging, and a carrying bag. The chin guard lifts with a release button, and a removable curtain helps with wind and cold protection. Designed for both function and comfort, it suits long-distance riders. In our list, the number 5 product name is Sena Impulse Flip-Up Modular Helmet. The Sena Impulse Flip-Up Modular Bluetooth Helmet in gloss white combines communication and safety for motorcycle riders. Built from fiberglass, this helmet weighs 2.72 kilograms and fits riders with intermediate oval head shapes. Designed for road use, it meets Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 218, providing confidence for daily or long-distance riding. This modular helmet comes with dual intercom systems. The built-in mesh and Bluetooth connectivity allow easy communication between riders. It also supports digital assistant activation through voice commands, letting riders connect with services like Hey Google or Hey Siri without using their hands. Inside the helmet, premium audio equipment developed in collaboration with Harman Kardon helps improve both incoming and outgoing sound. The internal speakers and microphone are fine-tuned to deliver clear audio, offering enhanced performance during calls or when following global positioning system instructions. An integrated rear light enhances visibility during nighttime riding. Airflow is maintained with multiple vent locations, including openings on the chin, top, and exhaust areas. The magnetic pogo charging port provides a convenient way to recharge the battery system. The helmet includes a retractable sun visor that slides easily to manage sunlight and glare. It provides clear vision and comfort while maintaining focus on the road. The Sena Impulse is ideal for riders looking for communication options, sound clarity, and essential road protection built into one modular design. It supports daily commutes or longer journeys with functionality and smart features inside a durable exterior. Thanks for watching our full videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and check link the description below. Goodbye and take care. See you in the new video.